Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. If you are an ethical hacking and security enthusiast, you can install Kali Linux as a virtual machine on your Windows computer. For that, you can use VirtualBox, which is a free and open source virtualization solution. So, in this video, let's see how to install the latest Kali Linux 2023 on VirtualBox. The first thing you need to do is to download and install VirtualBox from Oracle's official website. Once you have downloaded the installer, open it to install VirtualBox. After installing VirtualBox, go to Kali Linux's official page and download the installer image file. Now choose the 64-bit or 32-bit version depending on the system you have. The file size is around 3.9 GB, so make sure you have good internet connection. Click the download icon. After downloading the ISO image, we are ready to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So, open VirtualBox. To create a new virtual machine, click on the New button. Type a name for your virtual machine. Then select a destination folder where you want to install the VM. I'll keep it default. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution, so we need to select Linux in the type drop-down, and from the version drop-down, select Debian 64-bit. Now you need to select how much RAM memory and processors you want to allocate to the virtual machine. For normal usage, 2 GB RAM and 2 processors should be fine. I have 32 GB RAM, so I can give it like 8 GB. And I'll allocate 4 logical processors. Select the size of your virtual hard disk. You should give it at least 20 GB of storage space. The virtual machine is created. Now we need to add the ISO file in order to install Kali Linux on this machine. So click the Start button. Click on Other and select your downloaded Kali Linux ISO file. Then click on Mount and retry boot. This will boot your virtual machine from the ISO file. Now you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to install Kali Linux on the virtual machine. Select Graphical Install. Select your language, country, and keyboard layout. Enter a hostname of your choice. Enter a domain name, or you may leave it blank. Then type your full name. Enter a username for your account. Set a password for your account. Select your time zone. I don't want to partition the virtual disk, so I'll select Use Entire Disk. Then select the virtual disk. Select all files in one partition. Just click on Finish Partitioning and write changes to disk. Now select the Yes option in order to continue. Wait for a few minutes for the Kali system to be installed in your virtual machine. Now it asks which desktop environment you want to install. You can select XFCE, GNOME or KDE. XFCE is faster than GNOME and KDE, but GNOME has more straightforward user interface, so I'll select GNOME. Also, you can select different collection of tools that it is providing. Now it starts installing all the programs. It may take 10 to 15 minutes for the installation to complete. Click on Yes to install the grub bootloader. Choose the hard disk and click Continue. Now the installation is complete. Click Continue to reboot the system. After reboot, log into the user account that you set up during installation. Finally, the Kali Linux interface should appear on your screen. You can go to the full screen mode for a better experience. Kali Linux has a lot of useful tools in it for security testing, so you can explore these tools after installation.